Now we will start one new chapter, testing of hypothesis. Testing of hypothesis. So it is the unit 1 of semester 6 BCom. In this chapter, one more chapter is related large sample test. Okay, this chapter is totally theory and 7 mark theory is asked from this question in the Gujarat University and 7 marks practical sum is asked from this session. Large sample test. So testing of hypothesis means first an important word comes hypothesis. So what is the hypothesis? Hypothesis is nothing but a logical statement. Logical statement about the parameters of the test. जो कोई भी टेस्ट हमने किया हो, कोई भी करना हो, तो उसके लिए हमने जो पैरामीटर्स को चूज़ किया होगा, उस पैरामीटर्स की टेस्टिंग जो करनी होती है, तो उसके लिए हमको स्टेटमेंट देना पड़ता है. दैट इज़ द लॉजिकल स्टेटमेंट. And in the statistics that is called, in the research that is called hypothesis. Hypothesis may be as assumptions. Assumptions मतलब धारणा. हाइपोथेसिस से क्या हो सकती है? धारणा भी हो सकती है. हमने किसी के बारे में कुछ मान लिया हो कि वो सही है या गलत है, वो फाइनल नहीं है, तो वो हमको चेक करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? टेस्ट करने पड़ते हैं. सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल do large sample test. Okay, before that before testing the hypothesis, there are two types of hypothesis. H0, it means null hypothesis, and on the base of this hypothesis one more hypothesis is created, H1, that is called alternative hypothesis. Okay, so these two hypotheses are based on two types of errors, type 1 error and type 2 error. These questions can be important questions for theory. Seven or 4 marks it can be. Okay, type 1 error and type 2 error. So two types of errors are given here. So type 1 error is called if null hypothesis is right but it is rejected, then that is called type 1 error. And if it is wrong and it is accepted, it is right and rejected, it is called type 1 error. And it is wrong and accepted, it is type 2 error. Okay, so type 1 type 2 error you can see in your book. After then the test can be held, and the testing of hypotheses are done at a specific percent of level of significance. So here in this chapter we will take 1% level of significance and 5% level of significance. So 1% means 1.96 if, and 2%, 5% means 2, sorry, 2.58. 2.58 is there, and 1.96 at the 1%, and sorry, at 5% 1.96 is there, and at 1% 2.58 is there. Okay, so two types of tests are there, two-tailed or one-tailed. Okay, so it is all about the two-tailed test. Two-tailed test. If a test is one-tailed test, then these values will be changed 2.33 if one-tailed is there, and 1.645 will be there. Okay, now we will go for the test, large sample test. So large sample test, there are mainly two types of test. Two main test. Which two main tests are given here? Number 1 and number 2. Test of significance of means and test of significance of proportion. So test of significance of mean and test of significance of proportion. These types of test is held for the attributes or the qualitative matters, and this type of test is held for variables or the quantitative measurements. Now both the tests have the two subparts. So first one is test of significance of means. In that the first part is and the second part is test of significance of a mean. If a single mean is given there and that is tested through the large sample test method, then that is called test of significance of a mean. Now test of significance of two means. More than one mean is, it means two means are given, then this is okay. Now test of significance of proportions. Of success. The main point is proportion. In that subpoint is test of significance of proportion of success. Then second one, test of significance of two proportions. two proportions of success. Okay, this fourth test is to be held in this large sample test. So we will start from the one